Yes, nu ska vi se här, vi kan ta bort den där kanske också. I said that my slides are in Swedish. But I'm Kerstin Fredlund, and I've been working with bioavailability of minerals from grains for many years. And now I do that in my company, Hidden in Grains. And all of us know about the protein shift to turn over to more plant-based diets. And this also means partly a shift for the sources of minerals like iron and zinc. And now we have a 2-year project called the Mineralskiftet, whole grains with optimized availability of minerals. And how to take next slide.
Prova med pilen på keyboarden kanske.
Ja, men den funkar inte.
Okej, ta musen och tryck mitt på den här. Mitt på sliden.
Jag har ingen mus, jag har bara en. Men du, vad är det här för någonting?
Tryck på escape. Så kommer du ut ur det här fullscreenen och så kan du trycka till vänster då sen på nästa. Ja, du har säkert någon Apple eller någon sån här. Har du MacBook eller?
Nej, den funkar inte heller. Screen sharing, stop share, ska jag ta det?
Ta det.
Du har fått min, Annika, om du skulle ta upp den istället om inte det här fungerar. Där nere ser jag att det kommer nu någonting här.
Ja, nu ser man det. Bra, nu fungerar det.
Okay. We have got grants from Vinnova under the announcement of tasty and sustainable everyday food of the future, innovations to support Swedish processing of plant-based raw materials. And there were 17 projects that got grants, and there were 10 smaller projects and 7 bigger projects that got 3 million Swedish crowns for 2 years, and we were one of them. And the actors in this project is the municipality of Södertälje. They have been working in many years for develop of sustainable and innovative food systems, and they provide food for 90 schools. And then it's us, Hidden in Grains, and we have developed a hydrothermal method to increase the bioavailability of minerals in grains. And Axe Foundation, they have focused on the environmental issues and interest of products. And then we also cooperate with Varbo Kvarn and for scientific issues with Chalmers Tekniska Högskola. And in summary, it's about the whole grains, that they are important part of the protein shift, and also has a positive impact on environment, climate and health. And our project aimed to solve the problem with the availability of minerals in whole grains in order to increase the value of grains to be healthy, tasty and sustainable everyday food. And all seeds, as you know, contain phytate, and this is the most important anti-nutrient in the world. And phytic acid is very strongly negatively charged and shows great potential for complexing positively charged cations like iron, zinc, calcium, and magnesium. But there is also an enzyme in all seeds that can break down the phytate, and it has an optimum in cereals at a temperature 50 to 55 degrees and pH about 5. And this we have been using when we have developed the method, hydrothermal methods. We use these optimums for treating the cereals, and we are soaking wet steeping and dry steeping and drying the cereals. And in that way we can break down the phytic acid. As you see, einkorn to the left, einkorn has very much phytic acid and very much minerals, the highest that we ever have seen. And svedjeråg and ölandsvete, we see here 3 of them. And you can see that after the hydrothermal process, we have reduced the phytic acid with more than 90%, and in that way we can increase the absorption for zinc and iron from 5% to 25%, and that is in the level of what we get from animal food. So that's very good result. And this is the malting equipment in Varberg Kvarn, where we can have a batch of 3 to 5 tons. But we have to add some additional equipment to work with the hydrothermal treatment. This is for malting, and they use some other temperatures. And the objectives are to develop cost-effective and reliable upscaling of the hydrothermal process, to bring forward the tasty and easily prepared products from whole grains, nutritionally optimized, and to develop ways to communicate the products to create demand by the customers. And this is perhaps the thing that is most difficult to tell why this have added values. And some more goals: to get more minerals available in plant-based diets, and to take advantage of underutilized resources like whole grains, and improve profit for processed products that have added values. And we have different working packages, six packages that we do together with the other partners. And I don't have to go through them, but okay, thank you. That was all.
Yeah. Thank